Hello guys, fairbinaryoptions.com here, and we are looking at the Euro and Australian dollar chart. Now I know you might be scared about what you're seeing here, that being a streak of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red candles. So from 6 hours the pair is just corrective. But I would like to buy this correction, and as a consequence trading binary options, meaning you are buying calls. I would like to buy calls on this pair on the fact that the move that started from here, from the downside into the 141 area, seems to be just the beginning of a more powerful move to the upside. Now I don't know if this is going to come related with weakness in the euro, weakness in the Australian dollar, US dollar, or strength in the euro, US dollar. So I don't know exactly the vehicle, but it looks like this one needs to go to the upside. Now the whole structure here may be interpreted in two different ways. First of all, I'm looking for a complex corrective wave for the second correction, for the second wave, and I really don't like the move here, this move here. If you take a trend line from here to here like this, let me change the color for it, and then you clone it like this, then I really don't like this move to the upside, in the sense that it has been made in let's say only with corrective waves, and it is channeling too well. However, this move makes a new high when compared with the previous high. I don't think that this is the high I'm interested in, but this one here with the previous high, and therefore it is most likely being part out of a complex corrective wave. Now the complex corrective wave may mean that the first move to the upside, this one here, ended somewhere around the current levels here, and we are looking for a possible second wave to come. So either this is being the end of the first wave that is done here, with the highs here, as this is the only logical way or the only possible way for us to have an impulsive move. Or, and now of course we're looking for the second wave to retrace here, and this second wave to be part of a complex form of correction, in this case a double tree running, or what we are looking for is a first wave that ended here, then this to be the first correction, the intervening X-ray, and the second correction. Most likely this is the case. It remains to be seen. So either the first wave here or the first wave here. I will put it somewhere in the middle. It implies that the first correction and the second correction here are on the way, and therefore more upside to come. So I'm looking for this to be a bullish setup to go. Normally price from here should go higher. Therefore I would like to buy calls. So I would like to buy calls here with end of week expiration date. So looking for price around this area to find some support, and to buy calls with end of week expiration date. This is Wednesday, so end of week is going to be this Thursday. So let's write here buying calls with end of week expiration date. And if I were to analyze this in terms of the risk of such a trade, I would say that on a scale of 1 to 5, I would say that this is quite risky. Not necessarily the maximum risk allowable, but I would say if 5 would be the maximum risk, I would say this one is between 4 and 5, something like 4.5 in terms of the risk associated with it. It is like you're trying to pick a bottom, a short-term bottom, and this is what we are actually doing here. It is impossible for this move to be an impulsive move and the second wave to be done here if you are thinking of it, because if you take a trend line from the lows here and you take it to the upside here like this, you are seeing that it is pierced, and this is not allowable in an impulsive move. Most likely now we're looking for a second wave that should give us our trend line that should hold until the 5-way structure to the upside would be done. But that would be seen on the next analysis that we're going to make. So let's see what the market has to show here. So buy calls with end of week expiration date. This is our recommendation for the day. Thank you very much. Keep in mind, this is fairbinaryoptions.com, and we are trading here with Lion Eye.